Aim for the leg. Microphone's on. So this was us today. It goes from here all the way around. Maybe you could turn around now. So we got loads of dots. Fucking hell, looks so clean now. Really nice. Really nice. So yeah, I did that. Actually, I forgot I did that. I did all that as well. And then this was about. It was 2 day sessions now.
Yeah, 2 sessions, 2 full day sessions. Yeah, September and October, I believe.
And then this little one left a big space up there, and that was today's job. So like link the knee one he had already, and then we didn't know what to do with this. But then before let's do geometry, that links everything there, the bottom, the side, the front, and then that's why we did 360. And then this clean car, if you see a little bit, came from his previous tattoo that somebody else did. And I was like, I just grabbed that line, extended, and then gave us a nice clean cut. Because one is like, we can go as higher, but then where do we finish, how do we finish, and we can create problems. Whereas a nice clean cut gives a nice, same what this kind of broken paper, well, there you can see, gives that broken paper, it gives like a nice clean cut that you can make image inside image. That's what we did last time. I physically don't know what inks I was using then. Probably Stigma. I used Stigma Machine. I had that for a while. So that was that. Nice and clean and smooth. And yeah, you can zoom in. You got loads of dots. Many dots today. That was good. What I used was Aquas Machine, and then I used 7 liner for all of it. Just black ink and 7 liner. And then the dots are small enough but big enough to be noticed. Yeah, and then we can also show you guys what we did. Actually, I might turn the lights off. Gives a little bit too much glow. So, I don't even know where to start. What was the first we did? Fingers or the hand?
Forearm.
Forearm?
Yeah, we did the forearm first, round there, then the hand, then the upper shoulder, and then the bicep.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. We did all that as well. We need to push some black in that.
Yeah, a little bit.
At some point. Like shading is dead smooth, but the black is not that black. One day, gonna hurt you more.
Yeah, I don't mind anything.
Was that on you already?
That was the writing that was done there before. Yeah, you didn't do that. That was.
Yeah, I worked around it. Yeah. Oh, but we probably need to shade a bit there.
Yeah, bring it up here as well. Just a little bit of gap.
Just loads of ongoing project now. Yeah, big one there. That was nice. Smooth. Someday, when you'll be 30, I'll finish.
Yeah, well, we got 4 years then, don't we?
Yeah. Same again, I physically don't know what inks I was using back in those days. But I can say it's smooth, it's clean ink. Just need more needs more love. Yeah, it would be nice to dive in with some chunky blacks. Make those areas a little bit darker, a bit more black in there. Yeah, bring that, make those black in there. Probably the cross would benefit from more blackness. Yeah, shading probably behind the cross would bring the cross out more. Oh, it's one of them, innit? When you build sleeves, there's just so much to do and so much.
You can't really see it anyway until it heals down properly anyway, and then.
Yeah, I don't remember doing the wings. Did I do the wings?
Yeah, that was you. That was you. Yeah. It's still Studio One.
I have no memories of that.
Yeah, that's Studio One still. Yeah.
I'm like now looking at it, it had to be me because how it's all merging together. But
yeah. No, that was you.
I don't remember doing them.
Yeah, that was 2021.
So like 5 years ago.
Yeah.
That's mad. Yeah, it's kind of like me doing, but I'm also surprised how it looks. I don't know what I was gonna say. But yeah, really nice. I really like all the shades. They're like dead smooth, dead smooth,
Yeah.
and dead smooth.
Proper
And
clean here as well. I like this
Yeah.
bit, just like the background, innit? You can see
yeah,
it.
dead nice. Just need more chunky blacks, and that's what's missing. I don't know what else to say, guys. That's about it. Hopefully, you can see in the video quite good. It looks quite bright. But yeah, when was the last time we did anything on that sleeve? That was the last one, no? The cross.
Yeah, that was the very last bit. This bit here.
It was done in here, no?
Yeah.
We
That was
did here.
2023. That was. Yeah.
2 years ago, 3
Yeah.
years ago. Huh.
Beginning February 2023. That was. You just moved in here, then, didn't you?
Yeah, it
Yeah.
could be, yeah. Yeah, that's about it. That's all we really say. So today looks like this: 1 ink up, 1 black, 7 liner, aqueous machine. That's about it, and then loads of paint. And then you can see what we just discussed. What we're gonna do is just add more shading to it. We're gonna shade inwards there, and then upwards there, and then from this that I did previously up, just merge more together. Chances are I could do the shape itself dark as well, same as this guy has done some darker shapes. We could do darker shapes into lighter. Who knows? Who knows what it all looks like when it heals, how it merges together. And then tattoos have like fresh stage, healed stage, and settle. We'll see how it settles and how it all like merges in. And then we just need to look how to make it all look like one family, so it doesn't look like neighbors.
Yeah.
But it looks like one design. I quite like how I shaded that underneath that one. That was just like those two go nicely together. That also is like dead smooth. Pretty good with smooth shading, I guess. You can see there. Yeah, that's about it. That's today. We did probably about 8 hours, 7 hours of
Seven
dotting. Yeah, there's dots, and dots. There you can see. So that's it. You're probably gonna see him in the future.
You will, definitely.